Nice? I just nice to nice.
Nice, Taylor.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
What about the nice, dude?
I'm about to work my glue.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Oh,
Nice, man.
there's no way that all today.
Nice.
Got some nice pecs.
Nice.
Got a nice what?
Oh, nice, nice slot, my boy.
Nice booty.
Oh, nice booty, nice. We are finally going jet skiing. We've tried going like 3 days in a row now. Every time they were like, oh, it's too windy, it's too wavy, it's this, it's that. I'm just like, shut up.
Too beautiful.
Too beautiful, it's too nice out.
It's too nice.
So we went to them today. We're like,
one is it?
can we please go jet skiing? This is our last free day. Tomorrow, the boys got surgery on their eyes. And so it's like, it's our last free day, can we please go jet skiing? And they were like, okay, 11:30. And I'm like, I'm down.
At least they didn't offer us camels today.
Look like I'm getting a fat face.
Ooh. Nice. We're about to go nice or nice.
We raise the prices and raise some food. Watch them raise the prices and raise some food.
I'll be pissed. He's like, oh yeah, one gets a horse and one gets jet skis.
Oh, they only got 2 out. Oh shit.
They're getting the third.
Oh.
So there's Dre out there. I gotta freaking swim out here to get my wave runner. They freaking tricked us though. So they said they have 3 wave runners, but they don't. They only have 2 really. But this is the third one is the battery. So Khalil's gotta wait now. Because they lied to us after we already picked. And I'm freezing. Look at my stuff. There's the homie
on this boy, the party anyway. All the girls are looking fine. You're the only one on my mind. La da dee, la da da do, la da da me, la da da you. La da dee, la da da do. There's only me, there's only you. La da dee, la da da do, la da da me, la da da you. La da dee, la da da do.
After.
When you're gone, I think you.
No.
Oh, this place is packed with people. Your face is
they said we have to switch.
And the music's way too loud, but your voice won't let me be. So many pretty girls around that just dressing to impress, but the thought of you alone has got me spun, and I don't know what to say next. Down, feel the light. There is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste and I almost spoiled. Girls are looking for, you're the only one on my mind. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do, there's only me, there's only you. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do, when you were gone, I think of you. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do, there's only me, there's only you. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do, you were gone, I think of you. I'll pretend the night is so beautiful. Take a photo with the bros. La-da-dee, la-da-da-do. They won't see the mighty skies right here behind my eyes, replaying in my mind. La-da-da, yeah, feeling like there is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste and I'll only spoil the party anyway. All the girls are looking fine. You're the only one on my mind. Oh, la-da-dee, la.
Alright guys, so we didn't sleep all night. Well, me and Khalil didn't. Taylor was passed out. I'm burnt a little bit from just them letting me fall asleep by the pool and almost dying, frying like a pancake in the sun. But anyways, long story short, I will see you guys, or Taylor will see you guys tomorrow. Subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends.
Wait, subscribe and like his page. I have it in the description box.
Drain Vic World, hey, turn up, or no, Rich Kids
World,
TV,
no,
whichever
or
one.
Rich Kids TV, both. I'll put both in there. Also, Khalil's over here somewhere, but subscribe to him as well.
Alright, I love you guys. So does Taylor
Just
and
popping
Khalil.
bottles over here.
I hope you guys. That's
Bottles
water.
of water.
That's water. Alright, have a good night, guys, or have a good day. I'll see you guys later. Or Taylor will see you later. Peace out.